Reuters, U.S. stock index futures pointed to a pause in Wall Street Euro trademark S recovery on Tuesday as investors turned cautious ahead of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell Euro trademark S first congressional testimony. The S&P 500. SPX and the Dow.DJI posted gains in the past three sessions as a decline in U.S. bond yields helped cool fears about faster interest rate hikes. All eyes will be on Powell, who faces questions from both houses of the U.S. Congress in a semi-annual testimony later in the day, his first major set piece since he took over from Janet Yellen earlier this month. Most analysts expect no surprises from Powell regarding his views on economic growth and interest rates. However, his testimony comes at a sensitive time for the markets, and Powell Euro trademark S comments will be parsed for any hints on the pace of rate hikes. Stocks have recovered much of their losses from the early February sell-off, when they shed more than 10% on inflation worries. The Nasdaq.IXIC is just 1.12% below its record high hit a month ago, while the S&P and the Dow are trading 3.2% and 3.4% below their life highs, respectively. At 6:45 a.m. ET, Dow E-minis 1 YMC1 were down 64 points, S&P 500 E-minis ESC1 fell 8.25 points and Nasdaq 100 E-minis NQC1 dropped 18.5 points. Among stocks, Comcast, CMC-SAO, fell 1.5% in pre-market trading after the U.S. cable operator made an unsolicited bid of $31 billion for Sky, SKYBL. Sky Euro trademark S London-listed shares jumped more than 20%. Fitbit, FITN, slumped 16% after the wearable device maker forecast current quarter results below estimates. Toll Brothers, TOLN, reported first quarter profit that beat analysts' Euro trademark estimates as it sold more luxury homes at higher prices. Its shares rose 1.3%. Data due at 8:30 a.m. ET is likely to show overall orders for durable goods, items ranging from toasters to aircraft meant to last 3 years or more, dropped 2% in January, after rising 2.8% in the month before. The Conference Board Euro trademark S Consumer Confidence Index is likely to have edged up to 126.6 in February from 125.4 the previous month. The report is due at 10 a.m. ET.